In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Monday.com account. This will be a quick and straightforward process. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Monday.com. This is where our journey begins. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the login option, which should be prominently displayed on the homepage. Go ahead and click on that. Now, depending on how you've set up your Monday.com account, you'll likely see a few different options for logging in. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'll walk you through logging in using a Google account. So click on the Google option and choose the Google account associated with your Monday.com account. By doing this, you'll gain access to your personal Monday.com dashboard. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of the page. There you'll see your profile icon. This is the key to moving forward. Click on your profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Among the options presented, look for Administration. Click on that to enter the administrative section of your account. Within the administration area, you'll notice several tabs. You want to find the Billing tab. This is an essential step since your account information is tied to billing details. So click on the Billing tab when you spot it. It'll bring you to another page with your billing details. Next, direct your attention to the Overview section within the billing settings. Clicking on Overview will provide you with a comprehensive view of your account and payment information. Now, here's the critical part. Look for the option that says Close My Account. This should be visible within the Overview section, so go ahead and click on it if you're ready to proceed with the deletion of your account. After clicking Close My Account, you'll be taken to a final confirmation page. It might feel a bit daunting seeing a Close Account button, but remember, this is the step to ensure your account is fully closed. Click on Close Account to finalize the process. And that completes our guide on how to delete a Monday.com account. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, if this decision was in error or you wish to return to Monday.com, you'll need to create a new account as your old data may no longer be retrievable. Thank you for tuning in today, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials. Until next time, take care.